Okay, everybody, we're getting ready to do Chapter 2, Review and Summary, Part 1, homework for pre-calculus math today. Email me here for materials or questions. Chapter 2, Summary, Homework, 70 points in this homework. Page 1 of your homework, graph each function. Describe how the graph is related to the graph of y equals x squared. Put your explanations here in your explanation boxes. And then identify the vertex and sketch the graph of the function. Identify any x-intercepts. Page 2. Standard form of quadratic that has the indicated vertex and whose graph passes through the given point here. Use a graphing utility or graphing calculator to verify your result. So we're looking for a standard form of quadratic function. And then down here, sketch graph y equals x cubed and the graph of the function f. Here's your function f here. Describe the transformation from y to f. 10 points here. Page 3 of f and g here. Graph both of these. Zoom out far enough to see the right hand, left hand behavior of each graph. Do the graphs of f and g have the same right hand, left hand behavior? Explain. This is where you explain. Down here, leading coefficient test to describe right hand, left hand behavior of this graph here. Page 4, find zeros algebraically and then use a graphing calculator to graph the function. Down here, use the graph approximating any zeros and compare them with those in part A, which is find the zeros algebraically. Down here, find a polynomial function that has the given zeros. So now you're going from zeros to a function. Put your function in here. Got 12 points here. If you need extra room, attach a sheet and staple it to your homework sheet. Page 5, sketch the graph of this function. Leading coefficient tests, finding the zeros, plotting sufficient solution points, and drawing a continuous curve through the points. So here is your plot here. Page 6, intermediate value theorem and a graphing calculator. Find graphically intervals of length 1 in which the polynomial function is guaranteed to have a 0. And then use the zero root feature of your graphing calculator to approximate the real zeros of the function. Verify your results in part A by using table feature of your graphing calculator. 8 points here for this. And then page 7, 8 points here, long division, and then remainder theorem and synthetic division to evaluate the function at each given value here. Use a graphing calculator to verify your results. So use these two theorems here to evaluate these functions. And this page 7, 8 points here. That's your part 1 homework for your chapter 2 review and summary of pre-calculus math. Here's my email if you have any questions. Thank you.